The 1960 Renault Dauphine was once an economy car, quietly rusting away in the desert and largely forgotten by car enthusiasts. But, thanks to one visionary, this small French vehicle has been resurrected as one of the most eye-catching custom builds to ever grace the SEMA Show. Meet La Brute, a modified Renault Dauphine that has undergone a complete transformation, making it a wild mid-engine, canyon-carving machine, and a true SEMA sensation. The Dauphine's original reputation was built on practicality, being the successor to the iconic 4CV. Launched in 1956, the Dauphine quickly became a popular small sedan, with sales reaching impressive numbers in Europe and North America. In the US, the car was first imported in 1957, and by 1960, it had sold nearly 200,000 units. However, as time passed, the Dauphine faded into obscurity, leaving behind only a few remaining models scattered around. But when Justin Cashmore, a Navy vet with a passion for cars, stumbled upon a rusted-out Dauphine on Facebook Marketplace, he saw potential in it that few others did. The car had been left to rot for decades, but Justin saw beyond the rust and imagined an entirely new life for it. After purchasing it for a great price, he began the monumental task of turning this forgotten econobox into something extraordinary. What followed was a transformation that left many in awe. Justin built an entirely new bespoke chassis, based on the dimensions of a Mk4 VW Golf, to accommodate a mid-mounted driveline. The chassis itself was a feat of engineering, featuring custom AA arm suspension and a pushrod setup with 4 dampers sourced from a Yamaha R1 street bike. To ensure the car's handling was top-notch, the suspension was paired with big Willwood brakes for superior stopping power. The exterior modifications were just as bold. Justin installed huge carbon fiber wheel arches, giving the tiny Dauphine an ultra-aggressive, wide stance. The car's original 845 cubic centimeters engine was replaced by a much more powerful 2.8-liter VR6 engine, borrowed from a Mk4 Golf GDI. Though the engine was only mildly tuned, producing around 230 horsepower, La Brute's lightweight frame, weighing just 2,000 pounds, and perfect weight distribution make it a true powerhouse. Inside, Justin gave the car even more unique touches. He relocated the steering column to the right side, inspired by his time in Japan during his Navy career. The rear bench was replaced by a large radiator, complete with custom Naka-style air ducts to improve airflow. These customizations, paired with an air induction system mounted inside the cockpit, ensured that La Brute could perform at its best, no matter the challenge. The result of all this hard work is nothing short of spectacular. La Brute's distinctive patina-style baby blue paint job and aggressive stance, combined with the innovative engineering, caught the attention of the automotive world. In 2024, La Brute became the winner of the Pit+Paddock and Ineos Oil SEMA Show car contest, earning Justin an all-expenses-paid trip to Las Vegas. La Brute proves that even a forgotten French economy car like the Renault Dauphine can be transformed into an awe-inspiring, custom-built marvel. Justin Cashmore's vision and craftsmanship brought this tiny car back to life in a way that no one could have expected, making it a true SEMA star and a highlight of custom car culture.